Hi, I'm Sylvain, founder and CEO of Epieos, but I'm also the founder of the OSINT Village of LeHACK. LeHACK is the biggest and oldest event about hacking in France that exists now for 20 years. So, during 2 days, we will have international speakers that will speak about Chinese scrapping, about novel investigations, but also about disinformation. So we will have HSathon, we will have Viginum, many speakers from all across the globe, like also All Eyes on Wagner.
Hi guys, I'm Estelle. Today I was in the OSINT Village and I work for Flare, a dark web monitoring company. And today I presented threat actors that infected themselves with infostealer malware. So basically they wanted to infect people and then they ended up being infected. And we present 4 different cases and what we discovered inside those logs.
Hi everyone, my name is Marwan Ouarab. I'm the founder of Find My Scammer. I was here today at LeHACK in Paris to present the case of the fake Brad Pitts, where Anne lose $1,200,000. We was talking about the fact that we used Epieos to find a lot of information about the phone numbers, the mail. We was tracking down the phones, and then we have made a report to be used by the law enforcement of our country to help Anne to catch their scammer and find her money back.
Hi, my name is Robert Sell. I'm the director of Trace Labs. I'm really proud to be here at LeHACK. Right now we have our CTF going on right now, so we have dozens of teams participating, which is great. We're seeing a lot of submissions coming in. I really want to thank Epieos for their help with that today. So, amazing tool. Thank you very much.
That's it, guys. The OSINT Village of LeHACK will be over in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed that edition and I hope to see you next year. See you then.